I turn that girl to a baddie, yeah. I turn that girl to a baddie, yeah. Your baby mama call me dad.
If you have not seen part 1, make sure you check it out before you watch this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naddy Baddy, back with part 2 of Balloon Gallon. I hope you enjoy it. This is an electric balloon pump. The balloon pump allows you to pump 2 balloons both at the same time. This is a tying tool. It makes it easier for you to tie up your balloons without hurting your fingers. I couldn't do it, so my sister decided to demonstrate it for you guys. And there's me tying it up with my fingers, because it makes it easier for me. This is a dot glue. The dot glue allows you to stick things on the wall or on the ceiling. This is a flower clip. A flower clip allows you to put balloons in order for you to make a flower pattern. This is a balloon tape strip. The balloon tape strip allows you to put multiple balloons for you to make a balloon gallon. So for my first time, I decided to make a balloon gallon for myself in order to demonstrate how these are made and how they look like. Because we are in autumn, I decided to make my balloon gallon according to the theme, which is autumn. So I did one for autumn and I did one for Halloween. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you.